Father's Day is coming up, and you're probably thinking about what to get your dad. A new watch. Maybe some golf balls. But what if you could give him something more memorable, a harmless prank that makes him the laughingstock of his friend group for weeks? The key word here is harmless. We're talking pranks that are funny, unexpected, and won't actually hurt anyone or damage anything valuable. There's a difference between a good prank and a dangerous one. A good prank surprises someone, makes everyone laugh including the victim, and leaves no lasting damage. A dangerous prank does the opposite. It can injure someone, ruin property, or create genuine fear. Think of it like the difference between a jump scare in a comedy movie and one in a horror film. Same technique, completely different outcome depending on execution. Let's start with the fake lottery ticket. Print out a realistic-looking winning lottery ticket using templates you can find online. Leave it somewhere your dad will find it, like on the kitchen counter or in his wallet. Watch his face as he reads the numbers. The prank works because it plays on hope and excitement. After a minute or two, reveal it's fake. The laugh comes from how quickly his mood changed. His friends will love hearing about it, and he'll probably try the same thing on them next week. Next up is the air horn under the chair. Tape an air horn to the bottom of his favorite recliner, positioned so it goes off when he sits down. This one requires timing and positioning to avoid startling him so badly he falls backward. Place it carefully so it activates but doesn't cause him to lose balance. The prank is funny because he'll jump, his friends will laugh, and there's zero actual danger involved. Finally, consider the car wrapping with dollar store supplies. Wrap his car in plastic wrap or cover it with sticky notes that say ridiculous things. This takes longer to set up but creates a massive visual gag. Make sure the wrap won't damage the paint and is easy to remove. Your dad and his buddies will get plenty of mileage out of the story, and cleanup takes maybe 10 minutes. The common thread with all these pranks is that they create surprise and laughter without physical harm or property damage. They're memorable because they're unexpected, not because someone got hurt. If you want to understand what makes online pranks go viral next, we've got a video on that already.